Have you been feeling particularly weary, experiencing mood changes, or noticing a drop in muscle mass? You may be suffering from something called low testosterone. But don't panic, you're not alone, and there are natural remedies to help manage and even avoid these symptoms. In this video, we'll look at the top 10 ways to naturally prevent low testosterone symptoms. Let's get started. The basis of excellent health is always determined by what you put in your body. Maintaining optimum testosterone levels requires a well-balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Foods rich in zinc, such as oysters and pumpkin seeds, are especially healthy. Leafy vegetables like spinach and kale are also great options. They are high in magnesium, which might help increase testosterone levels. Do not forget about good fats. Avocados, almonds, and olive oil include the healthy fats your body needs to manufacture hormone. Protein is another important component. Lean meats, fish, and eggs are high in protein, which may assist maintain muscle mass. Avoid processed meals and sugary snacks, since these might cause weight gain and lower testosterone levels. Exercise is a key technique for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Both strength training and cardio have distinct advantages and should be incorporated in your fitness regimen. Strength exercise, in particular, has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Lifting weights or doing resistance workouts may promote muscular development and hormone synthesis. Cardio workouts such as jogging, swimming, and cycling are equally significant. They promote cardiovascular health, decrease body fat, and boost general stamina. Another fantastic alternative is high-intensity interval training. It combines the advantages of strength training and cardio in a quick, powerful exercise. Consistency is essential. Strive for at least 30 minutes of activity 5 days each week. So select an activity you like and include it into your normal schedule. Quality sleep is sometimes overlooked when it comes to managing hormone levels, particularly testosterone. The majority of your body's hormone synthesis occurs during sleep, notably during the REM period. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of unbroken sleep every night. Poor sleep or sleep deprivation may cause a considerable decrease in testosterone levels. Create a relaxing nighttime ritual to enhance your sleep quality. Avoid devices at least an hour before bedtime, since the blue light generated by phones and laptops might disrupt your sleep cycle. Make sure your sleeping environment is as comfy as possible. This indicates a chilly, dark, and quiet room. In addition, consider purchasing a high-quality mattress and pillows. Also, try to go to bed and get up at the same time every day, including weekends. Remember that quality sleep is not a luxury. It's essential for maintaining normal testosterone levels. Stress is one of the leading causes of low testosterone levels. When you are stressed, your body creates cortisol, a hormone that inhibits testosterone synthesis. Therefore, regulating stress is critical for maintaining appropriate hormone levels. Mindfulness and meditation are helpful stress management techniques. These techniques may help you remain present and lessen worry. Just a few minutes every day may make a significant effect. Yoga is another great alternative. It mixes physical movement with mindfulness, which helps to relieve stress and promote overall wellness. Deep breathing exercises may be really effective. Even simple activities such as taking a stroll in nature or spending time with loved ones may help alleviate stress. Remember, managing stress is more than simply avoiding it. It's about finding healthy methods to deal with it. While moderate alcohol use may not have a substantial influence on testosterone levels, heavy drinking clearly does. Alcohol may impair the body's capacity to create testosterone and influence other hormones necessary for maintaining a healthy balance. Alcohol may also cause weight gain, liver damage, and other health problems, all of which can have an effect on testosterone levels if you like drinking. For guys, try to keep your intake modest. This normally translates to up to 2 drinks each day. Consider substituting alcoholic drinks with healthier options such as herbal teas, sparkling water, or natural fruit juices. Furthermore, keeping hydrated with water is important for general health and may help counteract some of the harmful effects of alcohol. If it's difficult to cut down on alcohol, get help from friends, family, or a healthcare professional. Remember, moderation is essential and your long-term health is worth it. Hydration is crucial for general health, including testosterone levels. Water is needed for a variety of body activities, including hormone synthesis. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. However, individual requirements may differ. Dehydration may cause a variety of health problems, including poor cognitive function, decreased physical performance, and even hormonal abnormalities. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you and drink often throughout the day. If you don't like plain water, try infusing it with lemon, cucumber, or berries to add taste. Other drinks, such as coffee and tea, may help you get enough water each day, but they should not be your exclusive source. Alcohol and sugary beverages, on the other hand, may cause dehydration, therefore they should be used in moderation. So prioritize hydration in your everyday routine. Smoking has various harmful health impacts, including a considerable influence on testosterone levels. Cigarettes' chemicals may interfere with hormone synthesis, resulting in reduced testosterone levels. Furthermore, smoking might harm your cardiovascular system, which is critical to general health and well-being. Quitting smoking might be difficult, but the results are well worth the effort. When you quit smoking, your body starts to repair almost instantly. Within a few weeks, you may see a boost in your energy, mood, and general health. There are many services available to help you stop smoking, including nicotine replacement therapy, pharmaceuticals, and support groups. Don't be afraid to seek assistance if you need it. Remember that quitting smoking improves your total quality of life, not simply your testosterone levels. Excess body fat, especially around the belly, might reduce testosterone levels. This is because fat cells convert testosterone into estrogen, which may further lower testosterone levels. Weight control requires a well-balanced diet and frequent exercise. Eat nutrient-dense meals and avoid processed and sugary foods. To burn fat and develop muscle, use both strength training and aerobic workouts in your fitness program. Regular weight monitoring might also help you stick to your goals. Keep a log of your meals and exercises to find trends or places for improvement. If you're having trouble losing weight, talk to your doctor or a qualified dietitian. Remember that keeping a healthy weight is more than simply looking attractive. It's about feeling well and maintaining hormonal balance. This involves monitoring your testosterone levels. If you are suffering signs of low testosterone, such as exhaustion, mood fluctuations, or decreasing muscle mass, you should see your doctor. Your doctor may do blood tests to determine your testosterone levels and any underlying concerns. Regular exams also enable you to track other vital health indicators, including cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Preventive treatment is essential for sustaining general health. Do not wait until you have symptoms to visit your doctor. Schedule frequent exams and take a proactive approach to your health. If you've been diagnosed with low testosterone, your doctor may talk to you about therapy choices. Remember, your health is your most precious possession, so schedule frequent exams. Natural supplements might be a beneficial addition to your regimen if you want to boost your testosterone levels. Vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D and zinc are very important. Vitamin D, sometimes known as the sunshine vitamin, plays an important function in hormone synthesis. Spending time in the sun and taking a vitamin D pill will help guarantee you're receiving enough zinc, which is another crucial element for testosterone synthesis. Zinc-rich foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and lean meats are excellent additions to your diet. However, if you don't receive enough zinc from meals, a zinc supplement may help. Other supplements to consider include ashwagandha and fenugreek, which have been found to promote healthy testosterone levels before using any new supplements. Consult your healthcare practitioner to confirm they are safe and suitable for you. Remember, the idea is to assist your body's natural hormone production. Thank you for visiting me today as we cover the top 10 natural ways to prevent low testosterone symptoms. By implementing these tactics into your daily routine, you may help your body produce natural hormones while also improving your general health and well-being. Remember that finding balance and adopting long-term lifestyle adjustments are key. Don't overlook the significance of getting enough sleep, being hydrated, and avoiding bad habits like smoking and excessive alcohol usage. Finally, frequent exams and natural supplements might help you maintain healthy testosterone levels.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.